Ontario driver has been charged after police found a mountain of beer cans in the front seat. The driver was caught February 10th during a daytime ride check. Daytime ride check. Yikes. Oh, my God. Of course, it's Busch beer as well. Good Lord. No judgment. I mean, it's a favorite amongst my Thursday night hockey team for whatever reason. But this is out of control over here. Is that a portable heater as well? Wow. I think this person might be living in this car.
Oh, my goodness.
Drinking. You know, the whole...
It's got to be living in there.
With the portable heater? I mean, or maybe the heater's just busted.
You make a right turn, all the cans was going to fall over on your side.
But he was obviously driving it.
Was he?
Well, in the moment of the ride check, he was obviously driving it.
Oh, right, yeah.
But like, you see how you got the cans and then you got the washer fluid right on top of it? And then you got the portable heater over there.
I want to see the rest of the...
Powering it. But you imagine when you go through the ride check, right? You're just rolling up. By the way, the ride check is basically like a spot check.
It's so loud, the aluminum can.
You're just rolling up. Excuse me, have you been drinking today, sir? No.
I'm quite warm, too, with this heater.
Rattling. Yeah. Whoops, I guess they got me. That's got to be, what is that? Do they say how many? It's got like 50 cans. A driver facing a litany of charges following the ride check up in Grey Bruce, OPP, a large pile of beer cans. Police have charged a 61-year-old with 8 different offenses, including operation while impaired. Okay, so they were drunk at the moment. 4 counts of operation while prohibited. 4 counts of driving while under suspension. Possession of property obtained by crime under $5,000, so stolen goods. Use of a plate not authorized for a vehicle. Driving a motor vehicle with liquor readily available. Well, that one's pretty obvious. And operating the vehicle without insurance. This guy was just like, there's no rules for me here. I'm going hard. I'm going hard in the paint. Yeah. And that includes basically every category. No license plate, drinking, get the beer cans accessible, stolen goods in the vehicle. So, yeah, that one is completely over the top, and I would suggest it was only a matter of time. I'm surprised it got this far, to be honest with you. I'm surprised that this was able to accumulate, but I guess this guy was barely holding it together until the whole thing cracked and the 50 cans were discovered upon. And the easiest job in the life of those cops running that ride program, they're like, what? Is it really this easy right now? Yeah. You just get the 50 empty cans. Like, we're used to having to work for it over here. We got to normally ask a few questions and get the breathalyzer going and
just hands behind your back.
This is the easiest one we ever encountered. Is this a scam? Is this a prank?
Yeah.
You'd be wondering if it was a prank. Whoa.
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, man.